Welcome back to the Visual SEO Studio tutorials. In this video, I will show you the usage of the integrated help. When you launch Visual SEO Studio the first time, it will start with a help window at the right. The help is contextual. Anything you click, the help window updates, giving evidence to a detailed explanation for the selected option. It works on grid columns, text fields, checkboxes, and so on. All options available on screen are explained. As you become more expert in using the product, you might want to keep it closed and invoke it only when needed. The first time you will close it, the program will ask you whether you wish it to open next times. You can change this choice from the menu tools, preferences, online help options. You can also change the style used to show the help online. You can open the help window from the command pad, the start page, the main menu, or simply by hitting the F1 key. If you move the help window in a second screen, the program will remember it the next launch. The online help is available in English and Italian. If you wish to see a translation in another language, you can view its content in the Visual SEO Studio website and use the native browser translator. The online help is really a great help. Thank you for watching.